Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update audio output device installed error in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and search for troubleshoot settings. Type troubleshoot. As you can see here, open it. Now you have to go for other troubleshooters. As you can see here, the third option, click on it, open it. Now look for audio. As you can see on the top here, click on run option here. Now it will take a few seconds until the audio troubleshooter scans and fix audio related issues. I will give you another method to fix it. Go to search bar and search for device manager. Click on it, open it. Now as you can see here, look for system devices. As you can see here in the last, uh, click on it. Now the whole driver have opened list. Now look for Intel, where it is. As you can see here, the Intel Smart Sound Technology audio controller. Click on it. Now tap on Update Driver. That's it. You are done now. It will scan for all the audio related issues and fix your audio setup. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Give it a like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.